going to work with the devil today, boy.
Stupid asshole.
Just change the tone a little bit and speak a little more courteously. And you're calling me a liar, and I'm not lying.
Watch, Rodney King. When black people watch.
Prime changes everything.
Coming down and going that way. Fuck.
That's it?
That's it.
The good guy is Satan. He's known as the supreme architect of the universe. This is all quotes. Who has promised that we shall never, never die.
My name is Satan.
Yahweh can see you. Buddha can see you. Allah can see you. Your God can see you. Jesus can see you. Your government can see you. You know nothing of with Solomon.
My arrival connotes the end of the beginning of the end, the new reign of my father, the Prince of Darkness.
Check out Quasi-Luminous.
Whoa, that guy thinks he's Satan.
Quasi-Luminous. Demon influenced.